Welcome back to the News Eye. It's not just a talking point of Bangalore, it's also becoming, in a way, the nation's talking point. When the idea was conceived, not many thought it would become a huge controversy. Few thought, in fact. But the Martyrs Memorial, proposed inside a busy park in Bangalore city, has the city split right down the middle. While the residents of the area are against the park, saying it will destroy more green cover, the army veterans and families of martyrs say they are shocked at the apathy of citizens.
These are the men who made the supreme sacrifice to protect our lives. The martyrs who fought till the end so that we can sleep in our homes safely. But now, a huge controversy rages on over a war memorial to be built for these Jawans.
There are many who feel that for a city whose green cover is fast disappearing, cutting down more trees to make way for a war memorial is just not justified.
Protagonists feel that the efforts of the 2,000-odd army men from Karnataka should be amply recognized and the memorial be erected without any hitches.
A controversy that has even drawn in the families of the martyrs, including the wife of Colonel Vasant, who gave up his life fighting terrorists in Kashmir. These families now questioning the patriotism of its citizens.
We feel humiliated and we feel slighted by what's happening on ground. I hope people will understand and the monument of its own kind will come up so that the youth of Karnataka will get motivated.
We are not objecting to the National Military Memorial. What we are objecting is conversion of this public park into National Military Memorial. There is a lot of army land. Why not put it in that kind of area where the people will get motivated by looking into it?
And as the decision over remembering the sacrifices of our Jawans now lies in the hands of the court, many are asking, what's the fight about? And did it really have to be this way? With Dhanya Rajendran and Aslesha Beliappa, Rupali Mehra for Times Now.
What's more important, a public park or a martyrs memorial? For that memorial is General Nanjappa. Major General Nanjappa joins us from Bangalore. This is a very big talking point in Bangalore. In fact, it's becoming the buzz across the entire country now. This whole debate over a national memorial and the opposition to it from some quarters in Bangalore. Against the memorial, Mohandas Pai is the director of Infosys. And former Army Chief General Ved Malik is joining us from Chandigarh. I want to first ask you, Mohandas Pai, many people find it strange. Why can't residents give up 6.4 acres for 1,843 martyrs?
Arnab, that is not the debate, that is not the question, Arnab. All of us want the war memorial. Let me make it very clear. And this is not about competitive patriotism as some people try it out to be. All of us are patriotic, so let's make it very clear. All of us in this country are patriotic and we want a war memorial. It's happening for the first time and there is public support. But there is no public support for taking over an existing use in the city for putting it up. There are alternate pieces of land. There is a parade ground in the heart of MG Road, which is next to the metro, where there's public transportation, where this can be put up, which is much more prominent. Next to that is something called the Bade Barracks, where the unused piece of 40 acres of land, the military land, which has not been used for the last 25 years. There's a small office, you can put it up there. We don't want our parks to be destroyed, that's all. Because there are not enough parks in Bangalore.
No, but the argument is it's not about parks being destroyed. This is a mark of respect. I want to read out.
Arnab is not about the marker. We all respect our martyrs. We stand up and salute them. We all do things to help them in a personal capacity, and we are very patriotic. That's not the issue at all.
I am reading out from the letter.
The siters of the memorial.
I'm reading out from the letter of Subhashini Vasant. I'm reading out before I come to go to General Nanjappa. I'm reading out from the letter of Subhashini Vasant. As you know, she is the wife of Colonel Vasant, one of the senior most army officers who was martyred fighting terrorists in Kashmir. hands-on. She writes, "Today what I see makes me wonder if all I heard, saw and perceived as respect, love and honor when my husband was martyred in 2007 is nothing but my own naivete. It makes me also wonder if we are actually only hypocrites who can think of nothing, not even martyrs, but our morning walks." General Nanjappa, you heard what Mohandas Pai said there. What do you feel? He's saying relocated.
We felt honored that government of Karnataka and people of Bangalore and Karnataka decided to have a war memorial of its own kind. First time in the country, which is going to come up in Bangalore. And after examining various places, they have selected a place, what they call it a park, because that is a place which is accessible to general public, which is also will have a motivation place for the youngsters of the Karnataka to join armed forces. Also is the place where foreign and national visitors will come and pay the respect to their martyrs and lay the wreath. No. That is how the place has come up. It is unfortunate few people who are staying adjacent blocks, they are opposing this thing, which is very humiliating and very slighting for the soldiers and the martyrs.
No, Mohandas Pai is saying it's got nothing to do with martyrs. It's got nothing to do with soldiers or patriotism. You heard him there, General Nanjappa.
No, I heard that, but this is the place which has been selected after examining all the points which are.
That's not
that
true.
Is how it is more suitable.
No.
That is how it has been.
That's not true. That's not true.
Governor of Karnataka laid the foundation stone where the Chief Minister and the 3 service chiefs were present. And that means that they are not examined. It's only few people who are staying in the adjacent blocks. They are opposing it, not the people of Bangalore or people of Karnataka. They are.
Mohandas Pai, you see the argument is not environmental. It's about respect. What about the large houses politicians stay in? What about the governor's houses, which are nothing but a waste of real estate in every state capital? Why don't you question that?
Arnab, the current governor has opposed it, written a letter to the Chief Minister to say very clearly this is not an appropriate place, the security issues, it should not be put there. The current governor has done it. And point number 2, so when the original proposal was made, let me explain. Original proposal was made, citizens welcomed it because there was no structure that was supposed to come up. Now they introduce a structure there to say they're going to build a memorial hall in a park and not landscape it and put a stone there as the original concept. So people's trust in what these people are going to do has been betrayed.